Hi, hello, 𝙬𝙧𝙗𝗶𝗹 here. We create excellent presentations. Please remember to like and share this video and subscribe our valuable channel. You can also follow our social media.
In this video, I will teach you how to arrange shapes and objects in PowerPoint. Alright, so without further ado, let's get into it. So as a first step, as always, we have to get rid of these two default text boxes. So the better way is to right click, layout, and choose blank layout perfectly. So now let's create some shapes. So maybe go to the insert, go to the shapes, and rectangle, maybe an oval, maybe this star, maybe a text box. So type something. Alright, and maybe the last shape will be this triangle. Alright, so now we have to change some colors. So this will be orange, rectangle will be, let's say, green, and oval will be maybe gray. It does not matter what colors you use, it will be just better to see the results for you. Alright, so basically, if you select any shape, for example this triangle, and go to the home, and here you have arrange. So if you click on that, you have some options, right? But first of all, go to the home, go to the select, and pick selection pane. And as you can see, this new window pop up. So as you can see also, on the top, we see this triangle 18, right? As a second text box, soon star, oval, and rectangle, etc, etc, right? So as you can see, when our rectangle is on top, we cannot see these shapes and this text box that is beneath that, right? So there are some ways to do so. Let's say we would like this big triangle to be at the bottom, right? So you have to select it and just drag it to the bottom, and let's see the results. Perfectly. So now as you can see, this triangle is in the background, so we can see everything that is above this triangle, right? Also here you have this kind of eye icon, so you can see or hide some shapes, right? And also you can show all or hide all. So that's really useful. So but let's say we would like to move this triangle that is now under everything, let's say one step to the top, right? So of course you can drag it and drop a little bit to the top, but there are some more ways. So go to the home page, and here you have arrange, or you can just right click on this triangle, right? And also here you have bring to front, on send to back. We don't want to bring it to the front, we just want it to bring forward, so just one step. So just click it, and as you can see, from here now it's one kind of level above, right? So now let's say we decided to move this text box to the bottom. So right click and send to back, and as you can see now this text box is right at the bottom, right? So if we placed it right here, we cannot see it, right? But now let's say now we decided to move this text box to the really top. So right click on this text box and bring to front. As you can see now, this text box is right at really top of this selection. So that's how it works. Of course, like I said before, you can right click on your shape Here you have bring to front and also send to back, and of course send backward and bring forward. But also in home section, here arrange, you have also the same options. So yeah, you will be choosing which you want and which one is more convenient for you. I usually use by right clicking and then I bring to front or send to back. So thanks for watching. It was a quick video, but I think a really useful one. Have a great day and lead a happy life. Excellent slides.